everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have a subscription box from Universal Yums! Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here. Well, the ThePintasticGirls are back! Woo! Now, you may have no clue what I'm talking about, but if you've been a subscriber to this channel for many, many years, this channel used to be called ThePintasticGirls, and it was us here. They were much smaller, but still just as cute. And we did things like crafts and baking, and we did subscription boxes, and one of our top videos were our snack box unboxings. So we thought we would give it a go again and do a different company this time, which I heard amazing things about, and it is called Universal Yums. We are super excited to get into this box. Now when you choose your first box from Universal Yums, you have an option. So they give you 3 choices of what box you want first. And for us, I don't remember what the choices were. I think it was Poland, something else, and then they had a mixed box where you can get a box with foods from all different countries. And I thought, well, for our first box and our first video, let's go all out and try snacks from all over the world. Now I did purchase this box myself, but I am an affiliate with Universal Yums, so I do have a affiliate link down below, and I'd be very thankful if you decide to get your very own box if you use that link. And let me tell you a little bit about Universal Yums. So it's a snack subscription that features snacks from all over the world, and each box is focused on a different country and is curated to showcase that country's cultures and traditions, except this one's a little bit different because it is different countries. And they also have a holiday box where they have the best holiday foods from around the world, so I will look forward to that. They have 3 different sizes. They have a Yum box, which is 6+ snacks, and that's the smallest box. The Yum Yum box, which is this one right here, this is 12+ snacks. And then they have a Super Yum box, which is 20+ snacks. All these boxes come with a booklet that has trivia, games, recipes, and the prices of these boxes range from $13.75 up to $39 per box, depending on what box you choose. And all boxes are free for shipping if they are shipped within the USA. So are you girls ready to open the box? We have our water and our napkins just in case we do not like what is inside. Let's give this an open here. And this is what it looks like inside. And we have our little sticker here. I tasted the world this year.
I like this.
Oh, so this is the holiday box. So this is the holiday box from 2021. So we are gonna get a little hint of what that holiday box is like. So season's greetings from everywhere. And this has all kinds of fun facts, some Christmas trivia, a Chinese New Year's dumpling recipe, some more trivia. We're excited to see what's in here. And then at the end, it does give you an explanation of all the things in the box, which we'll keep. Oh, and it has nutritional information, which is great if you have allergies. And we'll keep this close by so we can see what we're eating. Now, I, for like 7 or 8 months, haven't really had much refined sugars and gluten. So for the sake of my children and having fun, I will try some of these things, and let's hope I can, I'll be okay tomorrow. So you guys ready? What do you want to start with? This loaf. Ooh, this looks delicious here. So this is Pandora cocoa cake with cappuccino cream from Italy. So that is what this looks like here. Now I'm not a fan of coffee or anything coffee flavored. And I don't think these girls are either, but you know,
I don't know. I might.
yeah, we might.
I'll try it.
Oh, it does. It smells good.
It's bread.
Yes. Smells like bread. Looks like bread.
And it feels like bread.
Oh, it has a filling. You get the filling. Do you want a piece with a filling in it?
No.
No. Okay, we can.
I'll try to get the feeling.
Okay, here. I'll get that. We'll switch. I don't need filling. Okay. You ready, girls? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it tastes good. It doesn't taste like coffee at all.
Yeah, that is actually very good. It tastes very fresh. It doesn't feel like a packaged
And it kind of like
sweet.
it's like chocolate bread or something.
Tastes like chocolate bread.
Something.
It smells very much like caramel, right? So yes, that was good. What do you guys want to try next? Want to try some potato chips?
Yeah.
Ooh, roast beef and Spitfire Ale, Kent chips. I'm guessing, or Kent crisps, and I'm guessing these are from the United Kingdom. Am I correct?
Yeah.
From Colchester, UK.
Have your bread.
Yeah, go ahead, eat my bread. And chips for you. Now, I never had a roast beef chip before. Let me get a small one.
Like,
It smells like big beef bouillon, right? Okay, ready, go.
yum. Yeah.
When you get them.
I don't know. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it has a kind of a, you could taste it after.
I do not.
You girls like them?
No.
Good.
It's like beef.
Okay, yeah, well, it's beef flavored, right? So, ooh, let's do this. This looks something Asian. Popcorn, green tea, and strawberry flavored. That is very interesting. Let's see, where is that from? Well, this is from Taiwan. Let's see here. Okay, so this is, I think you can see here. It's like
green tea and that's strawberry.
yeah, green tea and strawberry popcorns that are colored here. Well, you can each try one of each, okay?
Oh, strawberry. It's not strawberry.
You want to try the green tea? Here.
Yum.
You got one of each? Okay, let's try this.
Smell like-
Let's try that strawberry first.
Good.
Look, it looks great.
Yeah, it was good. Okay, now green tea.
Yes.
Looks good. It tastes like green tea though.
It's good.
I don't like the flavor of green tea. So, well, it's not horrible,
I
but
like it.
it's okay. Okay, so next we have Karen Volk bite-sized cookies with cinnamon, Belgian-style cookies, and baked in Denmark. So that is these right here.
I
Try
like the green
these.
tea.
You don't like the green tea? Oh, and I didn't say this before, but we are a homeschooling family. So this is a great experience for us to learn all about different countries. When we did the snack boxes before, we would learn about the different countries, and then we'd also do a video showing us make something from that country. I have a playlist of all our old videos if you're interested in seeing those, and I'll put them up here. Okay, let's try it.
Good.
Yeah, it's very good. It's like a vanilla wafer, right?
Maybe a gingerbread cookie.
Yeah, it's kind of a mix of vanilla wafer and a gingerbread cookie. That is very good. This is getting a thumbs up, this box, right? So, you want to do another cake? We have plum cake with dulce de leche filling, and this is from Santa Fe, Argentina.
These are my favorite so far.
You like the chips? So this is what it looks like inside. It doesn't look quite too appetizing, but we will see. Can't judge a book by its cover, right? Well, yes. I am the booktastic mom, right?
This is
Ready? Try it.
it's not bad.
It's actually very good.
Like the cake.
It is good.
Yeah, that is really good.
I like the cake part.
So far this box is pretty awesome, guys. Okay, let's go back to some chips. We have like Chipster Francais. So I'm guessing this is France. Brett's Chevrier Piment. So I'm guessing it's blue cheese and peppers by the picture on the front. But do you see here? Goat cheese and Espelite chili potato chips. I said that very wrong. So I wonder if these are going to be spicy. This will be fun.
Yeah, it says hot pepper.
Okay. Ready, guys?
Sounds like spicy. These are good. Not spicy at all.
It's like popcorn for them.
This is really good.
Mine was spicy.
Yeah, it's not
They almost need like
a
potato
tiny bit of spice, but like
bit.
definitely not really spicy at all. I do need a little bit of water though. Okay, so next we have Truffette,
These are my favorite
Popcorn and Co. Popcorn truffles. That is very, very interesting.
These are really good.
Let's see. So this is popcorn flavored chocolate truffles. Very interesting. And this is from France. So this is gonna be one of those salty sweet combinations. Okay, oh look at this, guys. Wow. It looks like a really fancy chocolate truffle.
Looks like something I had
Okay,
before.
you guys ready?
Okay. I like
Really good. So. It's like popcorn in a way.
It is popcorn.
No, not that great.
It's very interesting. It's not that I don't like it, but it's just a weird combination. Okay, so next we have Prosecco flavored bonbons. These right here from the UK, the bubbliest British candy there ever was. Okay, just wanted to make sure this is a non-alcoholic candy before I give this to my children. It is. Okay, get this open. This is bubbly tasting.
Is it like a gummy candy or something?
I don't know, it seems kind of hard. What does it smell like?
Both good.
Yeah, okay.
It's hard to chew.
It's chewy, but it's hard.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, it is.
I mean, never.
Not very bubbly.
It's definitely spicy. I mean, not spicy, I like to call them sour.
I like
Not
it.
that bad. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Two more, Mom.
Do one more.
Have two more.
Yeah. Okay, guys, you know what we got next? Christmas pudding fudge. So we got some Christmas pudding. And I'm guessing this is from the UK. Let's just make sure. Yep, UK, Devon, UK. So, I don't think I've ever had Christmas pudding. I don't think you guys ever had Christmas pudding, but we definitely hear a lot about it, right? Oh, it still looks like a little caramel all wrapped up.
Oh, it's not.
It's not good?
No, it's like not chewy.
Oh. Oh. It's fudge.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
No. Kind of like maple syrup. It's like maple candy. I don't like maple.
No, it doesn't taste like maple candy. It
It
has a lot of Christmas spice to it. Like cloves, right?
It's actually pretty good. I don't like it.
Yeah, it's not that I don't like it, it's just, I wouldn't say it was my favorite. Okay. Oh no.
What?
Turkish Delight. Oh no, maybe these are okay. I think we've tried these before, but I don't remember if we liked them or not. So we got some Turkish Delight. Guessing this is from India. No, Turkey. Turkish Delight from Turkey. I think I need to brush up on my geography, right? So we have rose, lemon, and orange. Ooh, rose. Would you like some rose?
I want the rose one and the orange one.
Ooh,
I don't want to eat myself.
we did do a Turkish
This is weird.
snack box. Ooh, it is weird. Are they colored?
Yeah, but they're like
So they're
covered
kind
in
of
flour.
they're colored in like a pottery substance
I have no clue.
and very jelly. So this is the lemon or orange. Okay, we'll just try it, okay? And hold on. This one looks like lemon. How is it?
Chewy. I think it's good.
No.
It's good. Why?
She didn't like it. Here, honey, drink your water. So one more thing, and then it's all gone, guys. So we have baklava right here. I'm pretty sure this is from Greece. Let's hope I'm right. Oh no, it's from Jordan. So this is layers of flaky dough with crushed cashews. So we actually had this for Christmas this year. Their grandmother made it. So let's see if this one holds up. Ooh, it's interesting. Check this out. Looks like a little display box in here with all the different baklava. You can take one. Okay, here you go. Here's this. You gotta try it. It's a tiny little bite. And Abigail can't eat this because she can't have cashews. So you could just try something else. This is good. It's not like homemade. It doesn't really have all the flaky layers, but it's okay. What do you think? What do you think? Was it good?
Not really.
No, not your cup of tea. So that is the box. I am highly impressed with Universal Yums. This box was full of a lot of good things, right?
I think these are best.
You like those Prosecco gummies, and then you like the roast beef chips.
These are really
And these are all gone with the blue cheese and pepper chips.
Oh, Mommy, I have to keep eating them.
What was my favorite?
Mommy.
I like these too.
Oh, that Dolce de Leche cake.
Mom.
I think these chips, the blue cheese and pepper chips, are also my favorite. So again, if you're interested in getting this Universal Yums box, I do have that link down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Ding! And thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all stick around and look forward to next month's Universal Yums, which is France, I believe, right? Yes, so we will be traveling to France.
Bye.